लग रहा है। कल मेरी खुद की फ़िल्म की स्क्रीनिंग थी बहुरूपी की। पूरे देश से कितने सारे फिल्में अलग अलग स्टेट से आए हैं एक फ्लैट प्लेटफॉर्म पे, वो एक जगह पे हुआ है। दिल्ली में ऐसा फेस्टिवल स्टेट की तरफ से पहली बार हुआ है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आई होप ये फेस्टिवल और बड़ा हो और आगे बढ़ता रहे, ताकि हम लोगों के लिए भी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बना रहे वेयर वी कैन ब्रिंग आवर फिल्म्स। First of all, it's such an honor to be here in Delhi, and Delhi has always been one of the biggest hub of education in the country. Let it be Delhi University or JNU or any other universities that is here. We have always looked forward to the cultural movement that Delhi brings in all the time. Even in films, the kind of representation we have seen for students, let it be Rang De Basanti or Ranjana, I think it constantly reminds us that how the youth that is being formed, educated in this city, kind of builds up the country later on. So I really wish them the best, wish you all the best. That I'm hoping to see some of the best changes that this country needs right now happen right from here. Students become something so important, someone so big that we finally see the development we keep screaming is elsewhere in the world and not here. What is one of the biggest changes that has happened in the industries from the point of time when I started working to now is the representation of women has changed quite a lot. Women were literally props, mostly in movies. You had to just look good, be there, show up, and as long as you fit the hero side, as long as you were young, that was enough. I don't think it's no longer the case. I think now there are roles which are meatier for actresses. I think 35 or 40 is no longer considered old to not be heroines, and actresses like Kareena Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Vidya Balan back in Bengal, Raima Sen, Rituparna Sengupta, Manju Warrier down south, Nayanthara, they have changed this, and I think that is quite something, because as far as I remember, if you were 29 going on 30, your career as a heroine was considered to be over.